Hi everyone, how are you? Welcome back Murahari Maths online classes. Today I would like to explain sequence and series problems. Okay, now explain question number 1. The sum of this series one by log 4 base 2 plus 1 by log 4 base 4 plus 1 by log 4 base 8 and so on 1 by log 4 base 2 to the power n. Okay, we have one formula 1 by log b base a is equal to log a base b. So we should applying this formula 1 by log 4 base 2 is nothing but log 2 base 4 plus log 4 base 4 1 by this is also same log 4 base 4 plus 1 by log 4 base 8, it will be log 8 base 4 and so on log this is 2 to the power n base 4. Okay, we have one formula log a base x log b base x equal to log of ab base x. Okay, log a plus log b equal to log ab. So we should applying this formula. It will going to be log of 2 into 4 into 8 into 2 into 4 into 8 into and so on 2 to the power n base 4. Okay, so log of 2 to the power 2 into 2 square into 2 cube into and so on 2 to the power n base 4. 4 written as 2 square. Okay, log of so it will be 2 power 1 into 2 square into 2 cube into up to 2 to the power n. It will going to be 2 to the power 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus. If base is equal, powers are added. Base 2 square. Okay. So it will going to be log of. So we have one formula log m base m power k m to the power k base n to the power l is nothing but k by l into log m base n. Okay. Now we should applying this formula. Log 2 to the power 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to and so on n. It will going to be this is the sum of natural numbers formula n into n plus 1 by 2. 2 to the power 2 to the power n into n plus 1 by 2 base 2 square. So first we should be applying this formula. What is the formula? Log m to the power k base n to the power l is equal to k by l times of log m base n. So this is nothing but n into n plus 1 by 2 by 2. Okay, log 2 base 2 where k relation n into n plus 1 by 2 where l relation right 2 k by l into log 2 base 2. So log 2 base 2 value 1. So it will going to be n into n plus 1 by 2 by 2. It will going to be by 4 into log 2 base 2. So log 2 base 2 value 1. Okay, we have log a base a is equal to 1. So log a base a is nothing but log a by log a. So 1 log a get cancelled, log a base a is equal to 1. So log 2 base 2 value 1. So it will going to be n into n plus 1 by 4. This is the answer. Okay, this is the sum of natural numbers formula n into n plus 1 by 8. Okay, now I am going to explain question number 2. Question number 2, if the numbers A, B, C, D, and E form an AP, then the value of A minus 4B plus 6C minus 4D plus E. So this is our target. Okay. So what is given? So A, B, C, D, E are in AP. Given A, B, C, D, E are in an AP. Okay. So in this first term, the first term A is equal to T1 is equal to A. What is the B? B is the second term. B is the second term. T2 is equal to A plus common difference left D. So let us take common difference is capital D. Okay. So T2 is equal to A plus D. So C is equal to T3. T3 is equal, C is equal to A plus 2D. T4 is equal to D is equal to A plus 3D. T5. T5 is equal to E is equal to A plus 4B. Okay. So first term T1 is equal to A. T1 is equal to A. T2 is equal to A plus D. T3 is equal to A plus 2D. T4 is equal to A plus 3D. T5 is equal to A plus 4D. Now, what is required? A minus 4B plus 6C minus 4D plus E. So, where A place and write A minus 4 times of B value. Second term A plus D. 6 times of C. A plus 2D minus 4 times of A plus 3D. A plus 4D E value. Okay. Now it will going to be A minus 4A minus 4D. 6A plus 12D minus 4A minus 12D plus A plus 4D. Okay. In this plus 4D minus 4D get cancelled. Plus 4D minus 4D get cancelled. Minus 12D plus 12D. Okay. Next. Minus A 7, 8. 8A minus 4A minus 4A minus 8A. 8A get cancelled. It will be 0. So what is the answer? 0. Okay, now I am going to explain question number 3. In an AP, if common difference is 2, sum to n terms is 49. Seventh term given 13. Then we have to find n value. Okay. In an AP, common difference D is equal in an AP. D is equal to given. Okay. So Sn, the sum of n terms. The sum of n terms Sn is equal to 49 given. Seventh term T7 is equal to 13 given. Then we have to find n value. So T7 is equal to 13. So T7 formula A plus 60 is equal to 13. A plus 6 into D value, right, 2 given equal 13. A is equal 13 minus 12. It will be 1. So first term we have got 1. Sn, sum of n terms is the sum of the n terms. So formula n by 2 times of 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Sn value 49 equal to n by 2 times of 2 into where a value 1, n minus 1 into d value 2. Okay, 1, 2. So n by 2 times of, in this one 2, take out common, 1 plus n minus 1. So 2 get cancelled as well as 1 cancel. So n square is equal, n into n square is equal to 49. Therefore, n equal to 7. So what is the answer? 7. Okay, thank you for watching. Remaining problems I will explain on coming class.